हाँ जी, नमस्कार। सो हम रेडी हैं GoPro ब्लैक कंटेंट क्रिएटर एडिशन को अनबॉक्स करने के लिए with my kiddo. Right, so the video is all about the struggles that I have while opening this kit, how long it took me to find out and figure out the things to assemble it and disassemble it and find out the right use cases of all the different parts. Uh, Quite a few struggles I have, and it took more than expected time. I had to find out quite a few videos on the YouTube while assembling it in order to find out the use cases of those small parts rightly and to do it in the right and correct way. So here's the beautiful box which comes with the GoPro 11. I like the box, it is quite sturdy and I would say strong. Let's open the kit and see what it has for us to offer. Wow, this is a beautiful set, the best purchase of 2023. Many more videos are on the way. A flashlight, GoPro Black 11, the latest edition of phone, the media mode, finally a tripod which is having a battery backup in it, which is called Volta tripod, and quite a few small parts in it, which I'm gonna show you how to assemble it in this video. More than that, let's see what some of the struggles that I had. Keep watching, it's gonna be very interesting time for you, and watch till end to see how it looks like when it is fully assembled. Great, thanks.